All right, y'all, I'm out here again. I just want to show y'all something. This is let me go over here for a second. You guys have been following my videos at all. I call this Tiny Tim. Tiny Tim, he wasn't growing. I mean, he wasn't growing at all. You know, as you can see, you look at the rest of these, they're pretty huge. Some of them are, I mean, you know, I have Brussels sprouts, collard greens, and cabbage. Some of them are pretty huge. But you see, Tiny Tim, he wasn't growing, but now he's starting to grow. And then you come over here, and there's a Tiny Tim Junior that's even in worse shape than Tiny Tim. Y'all look at this. The plant is almost completely purple. It was completely purple. But the reason I'm making this video is because I came out to water my garden today, and I saw some green. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I mean, you can barely see it. And that's a Brussels sprout. You can barely see it. That's Tiny Tim Jr., y'all. But also what I wanted to say is this, and I told you guys this before in another video. All of my brassicas this year were badly mistreated. Bad, I'm talking neglected is not even the word. I mean, every last one of them was like beat up, sad. Look at this. I think this is a collard green. This is supposed to be a Brussels sprout, but it looks like a collard green. All of them were beat up, discarded at Home Depot, and they didn't have anything else. I didn't have a choice. If I wanted to plant, I had to get what I saw, because now that the gardening craze is over, you don't see as many vegetables and fruit in these big box stores. So I had to get what I saw, and I just got what I saw. I got the three different varieties of brassicas. This is my first year growing the Brussels sprouts, and this is my Brussels sprout bed. But I think I got 2 collard greens in here, that big one there, and maybe this one here. But I'm saying that to say that these plants were under a lot of stress. I'm talking tremendous stress. They needed water bad. They needed some love, some care. They needed sunlight. I mean, they were in a corner, in a dark part of the store outside, being shaded by the building by Home Depot. So they wasn't getting sunlight. They wasn't getting any kind of water. And but I say all that to say this. Sometimes stress is a good thing. You think about your kids, you think about your own life, and some of the most stressful times in your life can turn out to be such a learning lesson. I mean, you won't even remember how stressful it was, but when you're in it, you can't see any daylight. And afterwards, once you come through it, you appreciate life in general. Just, I mean, so much more. And so I just had to make this video just to let you guys know that if you're going through something right now, which a lot of us are, if you're going through something right now, just hold steady, keep your head to the sky, and know that once you get through this, you're going to be a stronger person. Just like these plants. Just like Tiny Tim Jr. If he makes it, boy, that's going to be, I guarantee that's going to be probably one of the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had in my life. I think it's a Brussels sprout. Might be cabbage, might be a collard green. I don't know. You can't tell what it is right now. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a purple couple leaves, like maybe 2 or 3 leaves. It don't even look like a plant, really. But it's turning green again, and that's a good sign. Now it's getting cold here in South Carolina. Not cold. We got a cool day today. Today is like in the 60s, in the high 60s. But we got some hot days left. We got plenty of sunlight left. So I think Tiny Tim Jr. is going to make it. Well, I won't say that. I'll say I hope he make it. If it's meant to be, he'll make it. He or she. But I'm going to take one more look at him. And I'm going to post this video right now because somebody needs to hear this. Somebody needs to hear it. Somebody might be going through something. You might feel like Tiny Tim Jr. here. But you got some green on you. Where is he? He's so small I can't even see him. Where's he at? Oh, got so much. Drink some more water. You may be feeling like Tiny Tim Jr. right now. You can't see up from down, left from right, like my grandma used to say. But I tell you what, the sunlight is still in the sky. As long as you can look at that sky and see your way up, you can go up. With that being said, man, y'all check out my writing series. I'm writing a book in real time online right now. You'll see me on the thumbnail sitting on the steps. That's a very historic house. The steps I'm sitting on is 1 Meeting Street, the first house on Meeting Street in Charleston, South Carolina. The house is, go ahead and Google it. I think it's 300 years old. But yeah. I hope you take heed to these words. I hope you realize, not all the bad times are gonna last. Anyways, this is Anthony L. Kelly. Y'all take it easy out there. Till next time, keep your head to the sky. And maybe one of these days you can get on that airplane there and go to Jamaica or Hawaii or Bahamas or somewhere you want to go. Till next time, y'all be blessed. I'm out.